everyone, it's me DGB Diwata, and once again welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to newest upload of Mission Souls, and this is Rivers of Babylon, popularized by none other than Bunny M, published 18 hours ago with 10,000 views. Okay, so throwback days na naman tayo at marami na naman napasaya ang Mission Souls dito. Okay, so ayan, bago ang lahat ay gusto ko pang magpasalamat sa Mission Souls. Ayan, kasi nag-comment sila sa aking our action video. Thank you so much po Mission Souls for visiting my channel and for the compliment po na ibinigay niyo po sa aking reaction video. Isang karangalan po na madalaw ako ng channel na ginawan ko ng reaction video. Alam niyo naman po kami mga reactor, kapag nadadalaw kami ng ginagawa namin ng reaction video ay sobrang saya po namin at nakaka-boost po lalo ng aming confidence at lalo kaming ginaganahan na gumawa ng reaction video. Okay? So maraming salamat po. You deserve more and more and more subscribers kasi napakahusay niyo po at marami po kayo napapasaya. Kaya sana marami pa kayong cover song na gawin para sa amin. Okay? Anyway, ayan, pakinggan na natin ang kanilang The Rivers of Babylon at I'm pretty sure magugustuhan po ng bawat isa ito. Let's go! Ganda ng blending ni Mami sa kanya, Stacy. Daddy Seka, Sydney Eyes.
Yeah, we wept when we remembered Zion, when the wicked carried us away in captivity, required from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land?
I love this version. Ganda ng version nila. Galing ni Nasis. Eyes. Ang cute ni Eyes. Napaka-adorable.
Said
ganda ng version nila na to, napaka-soulful ng pagkakakanta nila dito, and ang ganda ng blending ni Mami Sheena at saka ni Stacy, no? Talagang nagja-jive yung kanilang voices. And of course, si Nases, no? Si Nases na napakakulang niya dito. Yung bang tipo nagmumuni-muni lang siya habang tinitipan niya yung keyboard dito, pero sobrang husay niya, and one of the finest guitarists na talaga namang napanood ko. Of course, si Nisha na talagang nagpapakita ng husay pagdating sa pagtugtog ng gitara, and the adorable Ice, diba? Si Ice na sobrang habang pinapanood ko, cute na cute ako, lalo na kapag pagka hinagis niya na yung kanyang sticks sa talagang salong-salo niya, o diba? Ice, pagpatuloy mo lang yan, sobrang mo kong pinapahanga. Every time na mapapanood kita, na-amaze ako sa'yo. And of course, si Daddy Seka, na cool. O diba, kumaganyan-ganyan lang siya. And ayan, ano pa ba, puro end na lang ako bago ko i-end tong aking video na to. Ayan, sobra ako nag-enjoy sa ginawa nating reaction video na to, at sobra ako nag-enjoy sa kanilang cover song. At kung kayo po ay gusto nyo pa mapakinggan at mapanood ng kanilang mga cover songs, please don't forget to subscribe po ang Mission Souls. Ayan, marami kayong mapapanood ng mga cover songs at mapapakinggan ng mga magagandang music from them. Okay, if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up, and if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button to get notified on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe also ang aking DJB Israel. Ayan. Bye-bye everyone. Hope to see you again on my next vlog, and always remember that music is life and life is all without music. This is DJB Diwata saying thank you so much for always watching my reaction video. I love you all.